Hello and welcome to a lovely day down by the river. Look at the stuff I'm carrying. A big sluice box there, sucker tube, all the camera kit, lunch in the bag, lots of water because it's really sunny and warm today. Right, I gotta keep going. I tend to just walk for 10 seconds, pause for 10 seconds. If it takes me an hour to get to where I'm going, so be it. You can already see him sweating. Okay, so I made it down the river. Unfortunately, I forgot my fly net. Usually it sits in my waders. And today I'm just wearing my wellies. Give you a quick overview on the equipment. That's my bag, which carries everything. There is a few sandbags left over from previous. There's a lot of sand and material in them, which as far as I remember is actually Paydirt, so I'm going to run that today. In terms of the rest of the river then, you see where the grass is starting to pop up again. Fantastic. I'm probably digging around here. I have pictures of videos from about 3 years ago, and I'll set up the sluice there because you have the advantage of the extra waterfall there. I want to get the sluice running, but first things first, I need to find the gold. So what I'm going to do now is just going to get some of these tailings out of here. You can see it's clear as day. Somebody was running a sluice box here. What we're going to do is we're going to give the pan a quick rinse. The last day I was out was at a class and it was definitely gold, good gold there. If you ever want to learn how to pan for gold, there'll be a link below to the Facebook page. Give that pan a good rinse. Also, I've got a 2-inch nozzle in there, which is good for bedrock. Pull back, lift up, nice and full. Too full, we got a rock jam there. So what I'm going to do is just going to take water on its own. Okay, so we got a good bit of water, saving us in the bend down. Let's just screen it here. And again, I haven't salted this. I want to know what's here just as much as anyone. So I'll push all the gravel out of those riffles there. Let's see, are we on the gold? Nada. Nothing of that. Let's bring these rocks downstream a bit. Okay, so we're back at the sluice box now. It's time for the clean out. I am done. Okay, so I've never cleaned out the sluice before. So usual story, you take off the rock. I am going to clean out the mats individually. Now this is going to be a challenge. And that's not too bad. Now come around a bit. As I say, I'm going to clean out the shark first. I think those stream mat cells are packed up, but we're going to find out pretty soon. Going to lift out this mat nice and gently. Make sure we don't lose that. I'm going to pop that in there. Now, new challenge. Getting that gravel out without actually mixing it up. Don't know what clever person decided to bring a wooden sluice box. Okay, so we can see the end piece is now clean. Whatever's in here is now specifically from just the shark. Oh, flash me pan, hang on. A minute, this is a good news for Dream Mat. There's ironstone in here, alright, which is good. But I don't see any gold. Right, let's have a look at the Dream Mat. It's the first time cleaning out this box since I made it, so let's see how we get on. Oh yeah, that's straightforward enough. Cool. Spinning your hand around, creating waves basically. Alright, let's go pan this. Is it a case that it can't run 1/2 inch? It can't run unclassified? Or is it the worst case scenario that there's just no gold here? Flashing me pan. Hold on, hold on. Oh, that'd be nice. Could do it with an L picker right now. So what I'll do is I'll bring it on backwards, tip out most of the water, bring it backwards, fan it out, scrape all these big rocks back. See a lot of ironstone in there, that's a good sign. And we are up against the front of the mat. Quick check of those nets are done. Not nuggets? No, that's alright. Just look at that, I can't, the stuff will not go down. Stratify, bring it to the front. Pan. Everything in here is heavy, look at that. Okay, that's it, that's about as late as it there. I always say this, I do not bother salting. I want to know what's here just as much as you do. No idea what's in here. We ran 50 shovels. If not, I had a great day. Love testing out that machine. And now I know it works. Alright, here we go. Ironstone. Lead shot. Gold. Yeah. And where's the rest of it? 2. That's all you got. 2 pieces of gold. And 50 shovels. Okay. There's the gold in the brightness, glistening. Whereas pyrite would go dark in the shadow, but there's, look, the gold glistening in the dark as well. Okay, so 2 pieces of gold for 50 shovels. Not worth it. I'll probably just wrap it up here, pack up all my kit except for 1 shovel, classifier and pan, and then do a bit of sampling and figure out where the gold is for next day. That's all I can really do. Alright, well look, that's disappointing in terms of the gold, but in terms of the machine, I got to see that works. And as I said, dream mat caught it all, shark mat caught nothing. Was it running too fast? Maybe. Can I improve on it? Absolutely. Just like anything else in life, you can improve on it. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you like this video, it's your chance to say you like the videos I previously posted and the ones I'll be posting in the future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and sure, catch you in the next one. Until I go, 5 more shiny. Bye bye.